Yo guys, what's up today? You see that it is 10:08 a.m. when I'm making this. It is that early, so 10:10, already done trading. Maybe done too early, maybe not, but I've already made my trade for the day, and I'm done. And I do not normally trade pre-market, and you guys know this, or if you're new to this, now you know. I don't normally trade pre-market, but today I could not pass up the opportunity. And with this past blockchain movement, there's been all these kinds of runners because as long as it has news with blockchain in it, all of a sudden these things are just moving. And if you see down here, boom, blockchain. And now it's this joint venture. So now we have a possible play. I mean, I was looking at some of these other ones, but I fell in love with this chart. So as you see, I have a resistance line right here where it's basically topped off the last two times it spiked. This one does not count because it's already surpassed that within the 1 minute candle, or within this big candle right here, pre-market. But I had this line drawn up before I even clicked on this one. I mean, it's just been in the past that I've had it there, so I definitely was just going to keep using it for a breakout. And I ended up getting in before this actually. And so let's switch it to a 5-day, 1 minute chart, because I'm going to see multiple days. And you guys see I have a trend line going right here, and it's just extending to the right. So we're actually going to zoom in a little bit further. And as you can see, it found support right there too. Not quite at it, but just above it, and it bounced off of it not once, but not twice, but 3 times, almost 4 right here, and then popped up, and then pretty much came a little bit above it again at that 60 range. So I was 5 cents within it because I have it at 455, so it was at 460 was really the spot, and now it's just consolidating. But this was an awesome play. I literally was already seeing this movement here. So I didn't actually get to see this run up. I saw the news. There's multiple different chat rooms out there, guys, for free. TechBuds is one. They have a lot of great content. I like Ricky, good guy. Very successful, nothing against him. He swing trades. We have a completely different style of trading, so not a big deal though. But this spiked up, and then with the blockchain news, and then right down in here it started consolidating, and I had this already here. So I was waiting for it to get to here, and I realized right in here, after this third candle, at the bottom of this third candle, that it was still going to stay green. So I ended up getting in here at like the 450 mark. I got in 5 cents before what I said I was going to. And I ended up riding it all the way up until almost open. And it was almost $5 that I sold it at. It wasn't quite $5. It was actually like $4.96, $4.97. But I really wanted that $5, and I could have gotten more out of it, but that really wasn't my goal. I really just wanted that $5 mark, and it just kept going. And whole dollar marks are big marks when you're trading stocks. So are half-dollar marks. So when it actually broke this 455, it basically said to me, "Hey, yeah, this one's gonna move." And yes, this move was a little bit longer than what I like, but we still got it. I consider this a breakout buy, even though now it is consolidating, and it looks like it's moving quite a bit right here because it's all of these, excuse me. But overall, great day, guys. If you guys find something with blockchain news here lately, it seems to be going up. But crypto has become a huge thing in the markets. If it gets crypto news, mainly blockchain news seems to be the big one that's moving things right now. Yesterday I played a patent. Today I played blockchain. I don't teach trading news, but I do teach whenever you find the pattern that you like, make sure that there's a catalyst. RGSE, if you are on my watch list, which if you want to be on my watch list, these were both on it. Down below there's a link for my watch list. It's a monthly thing. But RGSE was something to do with solar. I don't quite remember all the details, but it had some big solar foreign tariffs or something like that. Had a catalyst and it moved quite a bit. I don't know where it's at right now. We're not going to really look at it. But not only does it need to have a pattern that you already feel comfortable trading and everything else, but you guys got to make sure there's catalyst. And then the third thing is volume. And this pre-market, there's not a ton of volume usually, but it did have enough to keep running, and the catalyst was good enough that it didn't matter. So thank you guys for watching this one. We're going to keep this one pretty short, pretty simple, and pretty sweet. So if you can, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to see more content, because I have a couple videos that are in the making of actually basically teaching and basically my story. My story, that one's coming up here really soon. But thank you guys again for watching my videos. This one almost could have actually formed a cup and handle now that I'm looking at it. We're going to zoom out and see where it's at. It just broke it. This one may tank. This could be a short now that it just broke that mark. But again, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.